Welcome to the Skylab. First of all, we need to know what is this Skylab. For that, we'll start from the scratch. So we don't know what is this Skylab. It is, I think it's a software. We just type SCILAB in Google. Skylab. About Skylab. I'm going to type about Skylab, and we will see what this is Skylab is. Okay, here's something it will give. www.skylab.org. it is their original website. I'm going to open this, and here you can see about it is the open source. Skylab is a free open source software. We come to know that it's one software for engineers and scientists. Okay, and here we can see what is this Skylab. It is the free and open source software for numerical computation, providing a powerful computing environment. That means we can do lots of numerical techniques. That means numerical manipulation, all those things. Here they gave what are the uses of this Skylab, what it helps for us: control system, signal processing, in order to analyze the signal, frequency domains, all these things we are going to use this Skylabs. So why to wait? Let's download the Skylabs. Then to download the Skylab, you just go to download section of the Skylab, or you can just type Skylab download, WNLOAD. Okay, then it will going us to take to the same page, download Skylab 6.1.0. click on this. Here it comes. Both these pages are same. You can see that both the pages are same. Here Windows 7, Linux, or Mac, that means Apple. So now depending upon our system requirement, we need to just install this. I'm going to install Windows 64-bit. Okay, and it takes some time in order to download, but I already downloaded. It started downloading, but I already downloaded, and let's install that. Okay, I'm going to the this PC, and here it is already downloaded. I'm going to the downloads, and here you can see the Skylabs. Okay, Skylab. I opened that. It takes some time to open because we need to install that. Okay, Skylab. Do you want to make this app? Just click on yes, and it asks something: smart start, it cannot run. Then you just click on run. Okay, now we need to install this. I accept this agreement. Click on next and click on next. Next, and I just need to change the directory where it is going to install, because I don't have much space in C drive, so I'm going to choose D drive. Okay, then click OK, click next, and click next. Click next. Create desktop icon. Click all these things, then click install. Now it will going to install, so we can use the Skylabs in our computer. Okay, today we will learn how to install that. Okay, just installing. We'll see its future in the upcoming videos. So it is going to install now. After that we will just explore what is there inside, like that. It's going to install, because we are very curious to see what's inside the Skylab now. So it's installing. It takes some time. Now it is successfully installed. It is asking to launch Skylabs. Okay, I'm going to click finish so that it will going to launch the Skylab. Now we can see it is opening the Skylab. I think it is like something we need to program there. We need to see the output like that only. It is like a MATLAB, like that only. I'm not sure about this Skylab. Setup, execution, loading. I think it is the command prompt. We don't know what it is actually. We can see here File, execute means it is definitely some kind of programs, and open a file, current working directory, and here the options cut, copy, paste, all those things. And in control, resume, abort and interrupt. In application, Skynotes and MATLAB, yeah, it is something linked to the MATLAB, I think MATLAB to Skylab translator. And module manager, file manager. uh, yeah, I think you understand how to install. The later we will come to see what is this, what to use and all. I think you successfully installed in your computer. Yeah, thank you.